Hey, this is Jay Grams at the Volo Auto Museum. I'd like to show you a car we have for sale today. It's an incredible 67 GTO convertible. What makes it incredible are obviously the colors, and it is loaded with options. Go to volocars.com. We'll have all the specs and pricing listed. We have a few hundred cars to tempt you on our website that are for sale, and you'll see all the pictures of this car top to bottom. And everything's on our site that can put this car in your driveway. You can contact us on there with any questions. We have shipping, we have financing, whatever we can do to help you achieve your dream, we will do it. Let's take this for a spin. It's a California car. I was born there, and that's where we just got it. Gorgeous Fathom blue color, white interior, obviously a striking combination. And this is a real GTO. We have the Pontiac Historical documentation. The body is really straight. It's got a slick paint job. I see we do have one nick here that needs to be touched up. But yeah, again, the panels are straight, fit nice, shiny car. They did put some aftermarket wheels and performance tires that look really good on there. Chrome, the emblems, it's all in really nice shape. The stainless trim. Yeah, this side's really straight too. The interior is, again, loaded with features. Bottom of the door is clean. This metal door edge guard's an option. But this has got factory air, power windows, has a power seat, power locks, tilt walnut steering wheel, power top. It's got the rally gauges with the tachometer. I think I mentioned air conditioning, center console with the Hurst dual gate shifter, embroidered floor mats. It has kick panel speakers. It's got a factory AM/FM radio. Yeah, stereo's in the glove box, and it has a remote control. Interior lights work. And it's got a 400 motor under the hood. It's the original motor, transmission, and posi rear end in the car. It's cleaned up nicely in here. The motor was rebuilt at one time. Yeah, 400 engine. I think they're 350 horsepower. It's got the original type antenna. It does have a white convertible top. It's got all the seat belts front and back. So nice car. Power disc brakes up front. Power steering, of course. It's got a trunk full of goodies, which I haven't gone through all this yet, but a whole bin full of manuals and books, and the Pontiac Historical documentation are in here, and it looks like some miscellaneous extra parts go with the car. It looks like it has a power trunk release too. This has got it all. So let's start it up. This is a show type of car. You can go to any cruise night, any car show, you're going to get compliments that you won't even be able to count. It's not at that concourse level. It's a nice driver, show quality car. The dash is beautiful. But get in, take your wife, take your kids, go for a ride, use the car, enjoy it. Runs nice. It's got polished aluminum overflow bottle. It's got a fan shroud. Everything looks proper. It has an upgraded wiper motor, so it usually has like the 3 speeds on it. Looks like it has an aftermarket alarm. But to get a GTO in these colors with these options, probably not another one out there. GTO convertibles are a real hot commodity. People love them. You can drive this car a couple of years, and I'm sure you'll easily sell it and get your money back. We take trade-ins as well if you want to get something different down the road. Sounds nice. Really solid underneath too. I was underneath it on the lift. The floors looked to be original and rock solid. I didn't see any rust. There you have it. You're going to turn a lot of heads with this car. You're going to get so many compliments. You're going to enjoy the heck out of this one. So volocars.com, up in the corner of your screen, there's a tab you can click on. It'll bring you to this car. and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We get all sorts of cool cars that we post on there. Thank you.